Hello, brother. I just given the taste of the chapter called Carbon and its compound, where I secured my rank 1 out of 2064 students with my marks 10 out of 10. Here are the question begins. First question is saying that dash water molecules are present in one formula unit of baking soda. In baking soda, sodium carbonate dot 10H2. So 10 water molecules are present in one formula unit of baking soda. Compounds of carbon which are linked by only single bonds between the carbon atoms are called what? Ionic compounds? No. Unsaturated compounds? No. Both ionic and saturated ionic not. So saturated compounds? Yes, because single bond alkane saturated bond. Buckminster fluorine is a nanoparticle characterized by a spherical geometry and a hollow interior which contains how many carbon atoms? Answer is 60 carbon atoms they have. Which property of carbon enables it to form a large number of carbon compounds? Answer is catenation is the property where a carbon make large number of carbon compounds. Not due to acidity, not all of this, none of this. That's the cause of catenation property. Why does carbon make a stable compound? Due to big size carbon forms? No. A strong bond, so you have to bonds are smaller, not big. So due to small size forms strong bonds. Yes, second is the correct answer. Due to high electronegativity carbon forms a strong bond. No, due to higher enthalpy carbon forms. Second is the more appropriate. The 3 carbon molecule produced during the process of respiration is called what? It's a pyruvate. In the respiration process, 2 pyruvate molecules formed in glycolysis process after breakdown. Okay, so pyruvate is the good answer. What determines the chemical properties of the carbon compound? Answer is functional group. It's not a molecular mass determines the chemical properties of a carbon compound, not a number of hydrogen atoms present in a carbon compound that determines the chemical properties, not the length of carbon chain. So first is the most appropriate of these questions. The glucose is a dash carbon molecule. It's a 6 carbon molecule. How much carbon does steel contain? So answer is 0.0022 to 2.1% is carbon present in a steel. Here it's the, if I search how much percentage of carbon is present in a steel, second option, here it's the answer. It says a steel and an alloy of iron and carbon typically contains between 0.002% and 2.1% carbon by weight. So okay, here it is, and so this is the correct answer, not 2 to 4, not 4 to 7, not 7 to 10. Solid carbon dioxide is known as what? It's a dry ice.